What is associative learning and how does it improve memory? Imagine your brain as a busy city with countless roads connecting different neighborhoods. Associative learning is like building new roads that link these neighborhoods together. When you connect to pieces of information, your brain creates a shortcut for recalling them later. This process helps you remember things more easily because your brain doesn't have to search through a long list of facts. Instead, it follows the road you built between related ideas or experiences. For example, if you always study in the same quiet library, your brain starts to associate that peaceful environment with studying. When you walk into that library, your mind automatically gets into study mode. This makes focusing easier and can boost how well you remember what you learn there. Associative learning also works with everyday tricks like mnemonics. Remembering the phrase, "Roji biv," helps you recall the colors of the rainbow because each letter links to a color. These mental links act like bridges that make retrieving information faster and more reliable. There are two main ways your brain forms these connections. The first is called classical conditioning. This is when two stimuli are paired together, like hearing a bell and then getting food. Over time, just hearing the bell makes you salivate because your brain links the two. The second is operant conditioning, which involves linking a behavior to a consequence. For example, studying hard and getting a good grade makes you more likely to study hard again because your brain associates effort with positive results. Using associative learning strategies can make studying more effective. For instance, creating stories that connect facts helps your brain see how pieces of information fit together. Chunking is another technique where you group related items into smaller, meaningful units, like breaking a phone number into sections. Flashcards with images or words that relate to each other also build these mental links, making it easier to remember and recall later. If you want to boost your memory, try linking new information to things you already know. For example, when learning a new language, associate new words with familiar images or sounds. Or, when studying history, connect events to personal stories or familiar places. These associations turn abstract facts into meaningful connections your brain can easily access. In short, associative learning is about creating mental bridges that help your brain organize and retrieve information more smoothly. By actively forming these links, you can turn simple memorization into a more natural and lasting process. This makes learning less stressful and more effective, helping you remember what matters most with less effort.